All right, let's look at the solutions to your homework. All right, well done to loads of you that have gotten back to me with your work, lads. Okay, well done, very impressive. Okay, so I did questions 1, 4, 7, 10, part 2, and 12. So what I'll do is I'll do the other ones now. Okay, so question 2. So think of a number. Okay, let that number be x and double it, and then add 5. Okay, so I think of a number x and I want to double it, so that's going to be 2x, and then I'm going to add 5 to it. That's going to be equal to 19. Okay, they want me to find the number. Bring the 5 across, becomes a minus, so it's 2x is equal to 19 minus 5. 2x is equal to 14. Divide by 2 to both sides, and we get x is equal to 7. Okay, question 3. I think of a number, treble it. Okay, 3x. And take 6 from the answer. Minus 6 is equal to 18. Move that across, becomes a plus. We have 3x is equal to 18 plus 6. We have 3x is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 3. We get x is equal to 8. Okay. That's 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 3 into 24 goes 8 times, just to be sure, lads. Okay. 4 I've done for you already, so move on to question 5. If I multiply a number by 3, okay, well, if I multiply a number by 3, that's 3 times x. Okay. And then subtract 4. Alright. The result is the same, so it's equal to twice the number. Okay, so it says find the number. Okay, x is to one side, numbers to the other. Changing signs across the line. 3x minus 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Okay. Next question, question 6. When 3 is taken from 5 times a certain number, so 5x minus 3, so that's 3 when 3 is taken from 5 times a number. Okay. The result is the same as, so the result equals, is the same as adding 6 to twice that number. So 2x plus 6. Okay. That's adding 6 to twice the same number. So minus 3, bring it over there. Bring it over there. So that minus 3 is going to become a plus. That plus 2x is going to become a minus. So I have 5x minus 2x is equal to 6 plus 3. 5x minus 2x is 3x, and 6 plus 3 is 9. Divide both sides by 3. Okay, and we get x is equal to 3. Alright, that's 6 done. Now I did 7 for you, so I'll move on to question 8. When 3 is taken from twice a certain number, so twice a certain number, and we take 3 from it, okay, the result is the same as adding 3 to the number, x plus 3. Okay, find this number. So again, x is to this side, it's a plus, it's going to become a minus, that's a minus, it's going to become a plus. So you have 2x minus x is equal to 3 plus 3. 2x minus x is x, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Nice and easy. Okay. Next question I'll do for you here is question 9. Sorry. Let's rub that out there. Okay, 9. One number is 5 greater than another number. Okay, so one number is 5 greater. So let's say if we have an x, that's one number. A number 5 greater than that would be x plus 5. If twice the smaller number, okay, so twice the small number, I hope it's clear to all of you here that x has got to be the smaller number. X plus 5 is obviously 5 greater than the smaller number. And it says if twice the smaller number, so that's 2 times x, is added, okay, to the larger one, okay, the result is 26. It says find the two numbers. Well, 2x plus x is 3x, plus 5 is equal to 26. If I move that across there, lads, it's going to become a minus. So 3x is equal to 26 minus 5. So 3x is equal to 21. I divide both sides by 3. That reduces down to x, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, now I said I wanted the two numbers. Well, I know up here, if I go back up here to the top, lads. So x is 7, therefore 7 plus 5 is 12. So there's your two numbers. Okay, question 10. I've done 10 part 2 for you, so I'll do 10 part 1, and I'll do part 3 also. Okay, so here we have a rectangle, lads. We know what a rectangle is. Okay, those two sides are equal, and these two sides are equal. This side is 4a plus 5, and this side here is 3a plus 12. Well, I know 4a plus 5 must be equal to 3a plus 12. Move the 3a across, it's going to become a minus. Move the plus 5 across, it's going to become a minus. So I have 4a minus 3a is equal to 12 minus 5. 4a minus 3a is a, 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, 10 part 3, lads. Okay, this time we have a triangle. All three sides are equal, therefore it's an equilateral. Okay, so we have 3a minus 2 in a bracket, and that's multiplied by 2. We have 4a minus 3 in a bracket, and that's multiplied by 4. Okay, now very important, lads, that I know that this side is equal to this side. There's my equation. So I have 2 times 3a minus 2 is equal to 4 times 4a minus 3. Let's multiply out the brackets. So 2 by 3a is 6a. And 2 by minus 2 is minus 4. 4 by 4a, 16a. And 4 by minus 3 is minus 12. Move the a's to the side of the bigger a's. So I'm going to move that 6a across, it's going to become a minus. I'm going to move that minus 12 across, it's going to become a plus. So on the left hand side I'm going to have 12 minus 4. On the right hand side I'm going to have 16a minus 6a. 12 minus 4 is 8. 16a minus 6a is 10a. Divide both sides by 10. Okay, and we get 8 tenths or 0.8 or whatever you want to write it as. I'll leave it as 8 tenths, it's fine. Okay, is equal to a. Alright, unusual that they gave us a fraction here. Let me just double check that my workings are correct. So 2 times 3a minus 2, and 4 by 4a minus 3. 2 by 3 is 6a, 2 by minus 2 is minus 4, that's correct. 4 by 4 is 16a, and 4 by minus 3 is minus 12, yeah. Move that 6a across, that's going to become a minus. 16a minus 6a, yeah. Minus 12 across, it's going to become a plus, yeah. Okay, workings look good. Alright, gents, moving on to question 11. Okay, it says write an equation to solve it to find the value of the x in the given figure. Okay, so we've kind of seen something like this before already, lads. We're just going to come up with an equation. Alright, this is broken up XO, and I have this coloured in a bit of a purple colour. Alright, I'll write this in red, excuse me. So that distance there from there to there is 2x, and from there to there is 1, and from there to there is 4x. Okay. Alright. And then on the bottom, it tells us that the full distance from there to there is 25. Okay. I'm sure you had no problem with this, lads. Okay, so the top is 28. The top there is 2x. Okay, so it's this 2x plus 1 plus 4x. And of course it has to be equal to 25, because obviously all this is equal to this. 2x and 4x is 6x plus 1 equals 25. Move that across, it's going to become minus, and I have 6x is equal to 25 minus 1 is 24. Divide both sides by 6. Okay, and we get x is equal to 4. Alright. Okay, question 12. Okay, when a number is increased by 4 and the result is doubled. When a number is increased by 4 and the result is doubled, the answer is 22. Okay, find the number, multiply out the brackets, or multiply 2 into the brackets I should say. 2x plus 8 equals 22. That's going to become a minus. So I have 2x is equal to 22 minus 8 is 14. Let's divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal to 7. All right, 2 more to go. Okay, question 13. I realize I did 12 already, but no harm. Okay, question 13. One number exceeds another number by 6. Okay, one number exceeds, okay, which is bigger, 6. So your two numbers is x and x plus 6. Okay, so one number exceeds another number by 6. Write these two numbers in terms of x. We've done that. When twice the larger number, so twice the larger number, is added to 3 times the smaller number, okay, the result is 32. All right, find the two numbers. So let's multiply out this first of all. So 2 by x is 2x, and 2 by 6 is 12, and 3 by x is 3x. Okay, 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus 12 is equal to 32. Move that 12 across, it's going to become a minus, lads, isn't it? So 32 minus 12 is 20. Divides both sides by 5, and we get x is equal to 4. The two numbers, you go back to the top of x is 4. Well, 4 plus 6 is 10. So there are your two numbers, 4 and 10. Okay, the last one, boys, 14. I'm doing these quite quickly, lads, because I know most lads that have got back to me played a blinder, okay, did them very well. But if you have any questions, lads, please don't hesitate to ask me, all right? Anne is 5 years older than Mary. Okay, well, hold on a second now. This one always gets people. So we've got Mary here. We've got Anne. Okay. Now, Anne is 5 years older than Mary. Well, if you have Mary at x and Anne is 5 years older than x. Okay. And the sum of their ages is 51. That's simply it. So the sum of their ages, x plus 5, is equal to 51. So x plus x is 2x plus 5 is equal to 51. Move that across, it's going to become minus, isn't it? So 2x is equal to 51 minus 5, which is 46. Okay, and divide both sides by 2, you get x is equal to 2, goes into that 23 times. So we can say up here that Mary, has to be 23. And if Anne is 5 years older than that, she's obviously 28. Alright, boys? Okay, so that's your homework. Solutions done. Alright, I'll post up your other work that I want you to do for the rest of the week, lads.